Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Thank you all for the love and support. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. While you're here, hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Today, I'm doing an easy recipe, my way, my version.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time.
This simple, easy recipe I'll be doing in the air fryer. Chicken is already washed and seasoned. Here I have some seasoned flour and I'm adding the chicken to that. I'm gonna coat all of it and then we head to the air fryer. Here I'm spraying the basket and I'm gonna add the chicken to that. So guys, now I place all the chicken in the basket. It's time to start the process. I set the gauge to poultry and this is after 15 minutes. And I'm just gonna turn them on the other side. So guys, this air fried chicken is just like you fry it in the pot. The beauty about this is that you don't use no oil. So it's less grease for you. So now I turn all of them. I'm just gonna put it in back for another 15 minutes. And then this is the finishing of my air fried chicken. A total of 30 minutes. There you have it, my lovely people, my air fried chicken. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed or you're wait man, go ahead man, do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah man. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.